One, two. Good morning, everyone. Let us complete the last concept under module 1. And today we are going to learn about stress and burnout. We actually know what exactly stress is. Stress is a situation where a person feels pressurized, feel tension. It has been derived from the Latin word known as stringer, which refers to pressure. Okay. Now, when we talk about burnout, what exactly burnout is actually all about. Burnout refers to the final outcome of your stress. Basically, burnout is a reaction after accumulation of several stress that you have within your life. See, when we talk about stress, it talks about anxiety. It talks about pressure that you have within. But when you accumulate those pressure, ultimately those anxieties, those pressure, those tension will lead to depression. So burnout starts after depression. What do you do when you are in a situation known as burnout? You generally hit someone. You may shout at someone. You may try to attempt to kill someone. That is what happens when you are into a situation which is known as burnout. Not necessarily that you are killing someone else, you may also kill yourself. You feel that you are in a situation which cannot be improved. That is, you feel like hopeless. You feel from within. कि इस सिचुएशन से तो मैं डेफिनेटली बाहर आ ही नहीं सकता. इस सिचुएशन में मैं ट्रैप हो चुका हूँ और अभी यही होने वाला है कुछ दिनों के बाद या कुछ महीनों के बाद इसका फाइनल आउटकम ही ये होगा. So either you kill yourself or else you kill someone else. First you go into depression and then you try to do that. It means you are into a situation which is known as burnout. That is why it is in red. Alarming situation. Whereas in case of stress, अगर आप stress लेते रहे और उसको आप burnout तक नहीं पहुंचाते, तो क्या होगा? Then in that case, that stress which will be accumulated within you, slowly and gradually, you will not come to know, but you are decreasing your lifespan. आप अपना lifespan को decrease कर. कैसे? आपको lifestyle disease हो जाएगी. आपका eating disorder हो जाएगा. Night sleep, मतलब रात को नींद नहीं आएगा. Nightmare. You would have phobia. Okay. लेकिन इसमें आप किसी को harm नहीं पहुंचाओगे. ये harm बहुत धीरे-धीरे होगा. When we talk about stress, you will die early. That's good. But burnout में ऐसा नहीं. You burst on someone, or else you cry like anything. आप एकदम अचानक बहुत ज़्यादा रोओगे या फिर किसी को hit कर दोगे. Okay, क्योंकि you are into a situation which is hopeless situation. That is what your brain sees. When stress का एक response है किसी एक situation का. जैसे कोई एक situation मुझे दिया गया है. We have an exam after couple of days. So stress जैसा मुझे feel हो रहा है कि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है या फिर पढ़ा है मुझे और ज़्यादा पढ़ना है. So this is a response to a given situation. In case of burnout, it is that stress which you know you have concluded कि आप इसको manage नहीं कर सकते. अब ऐसे situation में आ चुके हैं which is known as dead. Okay, इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है और इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं है. In simple word, checkmate. In case of chess. Okay, unmanageable stress level is what burnout is all about. That's it. Thank you for listening. Bye for now, and all the best for your examination.